Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to show you a get ready with me video. This video was filmed very quickly because I was really getting ready for a party at my house, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please continue watching. First thing what I do is I moisturize my face. I'm using the CeraVe moisturizer, and I moisturize my lips. I'm using the NCLA Balm Babe. I'm also going to prime my face. This is the Icy Sherbet Primer by Touch and Soul. And then I go ahead and start doing my eyebrows. And then go ahead and do my other eyebrow. And I'm going to go ahead and carve out my eyebrows with the concealer. I go ahead and apply some foundation. I'm using this Morphe F340 foundation. I'm just going to go ahead and directly apply it to my face. This is supposed to be a full coverage foundation. I'm using a foundation brush just to kind of even this out. And then I'm just gonna go over with a beauty blender and kind of like even out the distribution of this foundation. Now I'm going to use a concealer. This is the Too Faced Born This Way multi-purpose concealer, and this is in the shade Cookie. I'm going to apply that all over my face where I need it, basically under my eyes and on my forehead. And I'm going to be using a beauty blender to kind of blend that out. I'm going to use a beauty blender and apply this matte setting powder, and this is from e.l.f. And I'm going to apply that under my eyes and just bake it. Go ahead and dust off that excess with a powder brush. Using a buffing brush, I'm going to apply some bronzer. This one is also from e.l.f. Going in with this Morphe 350 Supernatural palette. I'm going in with the color Powerful right here. And I'm just going to apply that onto my crease and blend it out. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's called Spell It Out. And I'm going to just apply that onto my brow bone. Now I'm just gonna apply some tape to the end of my eyes. And I'm going in with this shade right here. It's called All Natch. And I'm applying it to the crease. I'm going to use this last shade right here. It's called Mystery, and I'm going to apply that also on my crease. And then create a cut crease with some concealer. Now guys, I only want to make this cut crease halfway, so I don't want to go all the way through with this cut crease. And with the shader brush, I'm going to apply this color right here. It's called Superpower. And I'm just going to apply that on the cut crease. Lastly, I'm going to apply this shade right here. It's called So Divine, and I'm going to apply that on the other half of the cut crease. I'm just going to remove these tapes. And using this powder brush, I'm going to get rid of all the excess tape marks. Apply some mascara. And don't forget to apply mascara on your bottom lashes. I'm going to apply Toby from the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. Apply a lipstick and a lip liner. Apply some falsies. Alright you guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Until next time guys, stay safe and take care. Goodbye.